The Washington State Department of Transportation has a fish passage project on US 101 in Port Angeles. As part of the project, WashDOT will temporarily close US 101 while work is completed there. WashDOT will keep people moving on a detour. As you travel east to west, remain on West Front Street as it crosses North Lincoln Street and follow as it becomes Marine Drive. Turn left on Tumwater Truck Route, also known as SR 117, following the signs to US 101. In approximately 1.5 miles, you will merge onto US 101. Traveling west to east, reverse the directions, following the sign from eastbound US 101 to north SR 117. In approximately 1.5 miles, turn right on Marine Drive. Continue on Marine Drive as it becomes West 1st Street. As you cross North Lincoln Street, you are now back on US 101. If you are on a bicycle, as you travel east to west on US 101, turn right onto the South Pine Street cutoff, which becomes West 16th Street. Next, turn right onto South Pine Street. Then turn left on West 8th and cross the bridge. Once over the bridge, turn left onto South B Street. Follow South B Street and turn right onto West Lordson Boulevard. Then turn left on South Bean Road. This will bring you directly back to US 101. Traveling west to east, simply reverse the directions. We appreciate your patience while we complete this work. Use this QR code or click the link in the description for updated information. Thanks for watching.